Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 12th. I'm FX Blue and this is Market Brief. So data has confirmed that industrial and manufacturing output has slumped in the UK. Year-on-year industrial production halved to 1.6% and manufacturing output fell from 52.3% to only 3.6%. The only silver linings here were that the drop was largely expected and these sectors only make up 20% of UK GDP. However, it does rather set the scene that things will only get worse when the higher taxes and increased energy costs are factored in. February GDP reported a rise of just 0.1% and that missed market expectations of 0.4%. Despite the gloomy outlook, the economy is now 1.3% above pre-COVID levels, but if things continue to falter, we could easily dip back below that rather important yardstick in Q2. In the market, sterling shrugged off the weaker data though. We managed to touch 130.55 against the dollar and we open around 119.80 against the euro this morning. Over in the US, markets look rather emboldened by the sentiment that the Fed is about to really crack on with some more aggressive policy action. Expectation is for a 50 basis point rate hike, while they also expect to begin to reduce the bank's balance sheet. Debate, meanwhile, is raging on whether this action will see the country face a recession, and a few prominent economists have put this prospect close to 50-50. Today we'll have an update to that main policy driver. Inflation data is due out for March. That's due later today. The headline rate is forecast at 8.5% for March. That's up from 7.9% in Feb. And core inflation is forecast at 6.6%, up from 6.4%. And meanwhile in the market, the dollar index is still toying with that 100 level. Yesterday we closed at 99.97, which capped off an 8-day run of higher closes. But if inflation data beats expectation and supports even more aggressive action from the Fed, perhaps we'll see a proper break over the 100 level later today. For now though, euro dollar opens this morning around 108.80. So keep an eye on all that today and join me again tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.